It's 200,000. You know what it is? Men of the press, today we've had an extensive meeting with the workers and staffs of Rewama. We said workers and staff, both ad hoc and documented staffs. We are seizing this opportunity to inform citizens of Rivers State that based on the 30th of August general election, we are moving the monthly environmental sanitation exercise due for 30th of August to the next Saturday, 6th of September 2025 is the new date for the environmental sanitation exercise. The reason for this is so that indigents and those who live and do business in Rivers State will have ample time to participate in the local government election. We also say that sanitation is everybody's business. The laws of Rewama is clear that if you don't clean your immediate environment, where you live, where you do business, Rewama, by the laws establishing it as amended by the Rivers House of Assembly and passed by the governor in 2014, is empowered to do the cleaning, but the responsibility of the financial consequences will be done by the owners of church premises. We also say that we commend the residents of Rivers State for adhering to our previous instruction of not dumping refuse at the median and also agreeing to bag their refuse. We are saying that as long as the days of grace still exist, which is 30 days from the days of the previous notice, we are saying that cleanliness is next to godliness. Health is wealth. Keep your environments clean and help Rewama serve you better. We believe with your support, Rivers State and our city Port Harcourt will return back to the garden city of the nation, Nigeria. We thank you for listening to us. God bless you.